Before you buy Vendasta, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketing agency, or someone looking to scale your digital marketing efforts, it's essential to understand what Vendasta brings to the table, and more importantly, how it stacks up against the competition. One of the first things you should consider is the fact that Vendasta is an all-in-one platform designed to simplify the complexity of digital marketing. While platforms like HubSpot or Salesforce focus heavily on CRM and inbound marketing, Vendasta's biggest strength is its focus on empowering agencies and resellers. It's designed to provide a suite of tools for white label marketing services, which is a unique offering compared to other software that leans more heavily into customer relationship management. If you're looking to sell digital marketing services under your brand, Vendasta gives you the power to do so with ease. Next, let's talk about the cost. Vendasta offers a range of pricing plans, and the pricing can be a bit tricky to navigate for new users. While platforms like MailChimp or Constant Contact offer straightforward pricing models based on list size or features, Vendasta's pricing is more flexible, but requires a little more thought and understanding of your needs. The good news is that you can actually try the software for free, and I highly recommend doing so to get a feel for the platform before committing. Just click the link in the description below for a risk-free trial. The third thing you should know is the level of customization Vendasta offers. Unlike platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer, which primarily focus on social media management, Vendasta allows you to fully white label its tools. This means you can present the platform's features as your own, which can be incredibly valuable if you want to brand your services and create a seamless experience for your clients. The flexibility here is a major differentiator compared to some competitors, which may not offer as many white label opportunities. The fourth thing you'll want to consider is Vendasta's marketplace. This is a feature that sets it apart from many competitors. While other platforms might offer a limited selection of tools, Vendasta's marketplace is vast, providing access to a wide variety of digital products and services, from reputation management to SEO and even lead generation tools. This is perfect for agencies looking to expand their service offerings without the need to integrate numerous third-party platforms. However, while the marketplace is a major selling point, it can sometimes feel overwhelming because of the sheer number of choices, so be prepared to dive deep into what each product does. Next up, Vendasta's customer support. The platform offers 24/7 support, which is crucial when you're using an all-in-one software solution. Some competitors, like ActiveCampaign, offer good customer service, but often have limited hours or require you to go through various steps before getting help. With Vendasta, you can get quick answers to your questions, which can be a huge time saver if you're new to the platform. Another consideration is Vendasta's reporting and analytics capabilities. This is a key area where Vendasta shines compared to many competitors. While platforms like Google Analytics and SEMrush provide in-depth data for SEO and web traffic, Vendasta's reports are tailored specifically for agency use, giving you client-ready reports that look professional and are easy to understand. If you're managing multiple client accounts or need a quick snapshot of campaign performance, this is a huge plus. The final thing you need to know is that, like many software solutions, Vendasta is continuously evolving. It's not a platform that sits still. So, while it offers a ton of features today, the company is constantly rolling out new updates and tools. This keeps it competitive against other software in the market, but it also means you'll need to stay on top of the changes to get the most out of the platform. If you're looking for something that's constantly innovating, Vendasta might just be the solution for you. So, if you're considering buying Vendasta, it's important to take into account its white label opportunities, marketplace options, customization, and flexibility. It stands out in ways that some of its competitors don't, especially if you're looking for a platform that enables you to resell digital marketing services. If you want to test Vendasta for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description to get an exclusive free trial and some extra benefits.